Not by the bank, but by the nonprofit.
So, in terms of any legal impropriety, we're not talking about that. What we're talking about is an ethical concern.
Yeah, that would be it. And ethics are in the eyes of the beholders. That's a very good point, Eric. In terms of legality, is they're not supposed to. She doesn't appear to have broken any state or local laws on this. In terms of ethics, people say, well, that's up to you to decide. Now, in terms of reality, let's get down to that as well. According to my sources, she told the mayor about the relationship prior to being appointed, and if anything, the mayor thought it was a pretty good combination because she was looking for somebody that could get reelected come November, and this looks like a group that can do it. We have until Friday to see if somebody steps forward. But so far, she has piled all the right paperwork, including her statement of economic interest and now her re-election filings. It's interesting to see how this came out, one after the other, but that's the way politics works as well. Timing is important, and this came out before she said she was running again.
KCBS insider Phil Matier will be back this afternoon at 5:50 with Patty. To the Money Watch, stocks are headed for a fine finish. Here's Jason.
Liz, inflation showed some easing in July with the government's consumer price index up 8.5% from 0.1% gain in June. Still a very high number, but perhaps a beginning of a trend in the right direction. Dow's up 507 points before the closing bell. Nasdaq gaining 359, and the S&P up by 86. May be preparing to make good on his purchase of Twitter. Musk sold nearly $7 billion of his Tesla stock over the past week, and he tweeted that the stock sale was important to avoid an emergency sale of Tesla shares. In his words, in the hopefully unlikely event that Twitter forces the deal to close and some equity partners don't come through. The Redbush analyst notes that that move improves the chances of the deal closing, perhaps before the trial scheduled for October. Redbush says the street and legal experts across the board view Twitter strong iron fist upper hand heading into the court battle. Shares of Twitter are responding, up 3.5%. Tesla not feeling any pain today. Its stock is up by 4%. On the Money Watch, Jason Brooks, KCBS.
It's easy to think all money managers are pretty much the same, but at Fisher Investments, we're clearly different.
Different? How? You sell high commission investment products, right?
Investments doesn't sell any commission-based investment products.
Well, you must earn commission.
Nope, never at Fisher. We're a fiduciary, obligated to act in our client's best interest. It's the highest standard of care for a financial advisor.
How do you know what's in their best interest?
We get to know our clients and then tailor a portfolio based on their goals and needs.
But you probably sneak in some hidden and layered fees.
No, we have one transparent management fee structured so we do better when our clients do better.
Wow, you really do look out for your...
It's because our top priority is helping them achieve a comfortable retirement. It might be why most of our clients come from other money managers. Visit FisherInvestments.com to find out why investors like you switch to us. Fisher Investments. Clearly different money management.
Investments and securities involve the risk of loss.
Dak Prescott here. Why do I choose proven quality sleep from Sleep Number? Because better sleep elevates my game. Only my Sleep Number 360 smart bed helps faster, keeps me cool, and effortlessly adjusts for my best sleep. The result? 28 minutes more restful sleep a night. That's more focus, more edge, and more highlights. And that means more wins for all of us.
All smart beds are on sale. Save 50% on the Sleep Number 360 limited edition smart bed, only for limited time. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com. Sleep Number, the official sleep and wellness partner of the NFL.
We expect our information in real time. U.S. Med continuous glucose monitors, which provide real-time readings of blood glucose levels. U.S. Med is an approved provider for Medicare and over 500 private insurers. So call 800-730-8405 today for a free insurance and Medicare benefits check. As easy as, it's 800-730-8405.
The following is a commercial announcement.
There's nothing like hearing the songs you love on local radio. With no subscriptions and no